Good afternoon, Papua Joe from Lake City. We were starting classroom again. Pico and micro hydro training. Okay, one black question. Planting man asking only talk was me black at bikpla wara. Nah, you got bikpla wara. One black and bikpla wara and flow come down. One black wara me black measuring and 22,000 liters per second. And work government. We are talking about megawatts here. But here, people are talking about man or say, time you start close to those big water, you find him on the spot, now you cut him on the drain. Now go now, put him on one the lily pond, now you take him, come down, no one the, he got on the pole. Now you put him turbine house, turbine house. Let me explain. Suppose you put him on the 10 kilowatt or here, or any kilowatt, 10, 15, 20, 30. There's a wara and by giving me just giving me example. 1.5 megawatt. All man no place all no need megawatts. They need watts and kilowatts. That's why this one here will give you kilowatts and watts. The place will be okay. How about you make him this love? You cut him this like drain there. Now bring him water come no here. Now put him on one the little pond. You put him on one the PVC pipe. Current come down on here. Now put him turbine view. Now me talk finish plenty time. Two plus turbine, one blah. And Pelton wheel, where me blah interested in Pelton wheel, blow all man of place of power in it. Now cross flow turbine. You can go read him. Cross flow turbine. Cross flow turbine. This la Pelton wheel. And blow high head. This la head. High head. Now low flow rate. High head am high, flow rate, and tumbler. This one here, it is for low head, low head, high flow rate, high flow rate. And this layer. So me now you can decide no this la select him this la when I'm size stable and you like him or this la you la select him. You must work him on the low 7 or plus finish so that suppose you see one man but needing 10 kilowatt. Now we work backwards. We go back up here, now you need by working out volume in liters per second. Now, maybe I can put in the same power now. Liters per second, time you cut him the drain. You mark him really after some, yeah? Now, working out volume blow. Volume blow this layer is length times width times height. Length times width times height equals volume. You cut him little that's all. You work him out value now. The rest you can dig in Barrett, nothing I'm gonna pond there. Because you already worked out the volume. Now this like back over here. Now no pipe size no here. No volume no this like you sound some pipe and round. Now by you run him some lot of pipe here come down here, length long and here. So here no work him out volume long and. Volume no pipe is area times length. Pi d squared on 4 times L equals volume. Now you must have a volume of pipe. So attend our class in Lake City. Now people are giving you some like a thing. Now opening up mind view, now helping you. The walking project where you look place. Now like this line, when you go to a place like Gambok, one blow water come down, now man two put him long here, now man two put him long here, they all got power. You must start lining now